I found something pretty neat on Amazon. I thought I would give it a try. The company was kind enough to send me a sample so that I could review it and share it with everybody. So these are cleaning screens. So they look like the kind of screens in your windows, but I bet they're gonna be a different texture. I can tell already, these are a different texture. The screens in my windows are vinyl or like a thick plastic. These are not. These are definitely much rougher. Let me get them out of here. You get a package of 15, which is a lot. We have hard water. So we get that hard water buildup in all of our sinks, on our faucets, inside the wash machine sometimes inside the dryer, on our kitchen sink. So let me open one of these. Oh yeah, this definitely has a rough texture. Let me use scissors because I will chew up my fingers if I open that. These are very rough. This is definitely not like window screen. So you cannot go to the hardware store, buy a window screen and think that this is gonna work. These are, I'm gonna say these are 4 inches by 6 inches, somewhere about that. And ooh, you can hear the abrasiveness. These are very abrasive. I would say on the lines of fine grade steel wool maybe. Of course, I have not tried these yet because I'm just getting these out, but I am going to try these on the hard water around my faucets and see how they do. When you're using these, I can tell by the feel of them, you're going to want to wear gloves. You're not going to want to do this with your bare hand. This is going to tear your skin up if you try to do that, I think. So anyway, but I am looking forward to giving these a try.